to Pannu's Quilling Point, and yes, you are at perfect point watching me Rania on this Art and Crafty channel. Today's video is about Easter egg, as Easter Sunday is coming up very soon. So we have decided to make something on that occasion. So we are going to make Easter egg which is decorated with quill. When egg comes in mind, even I thought that let's use real egg shell. So even I tried using real egg shell and I started it, but because I didn't handle that properly, I broke the egg and all my quilling work which was already done on it got completely ruined. As this eggshell broke, this came to my mind that the particles of the egg can go into kids' nails if kids are trying this on eggshell, and it can harm them, even it can harm us. So then I started thinking of what can be done for the base of egg. So if you have tried it, do let me know and share how you did it. So I came up with the idea of Kinder Joy. As many kids eat Kinder Joy, even my kid sometimes he eats Kinder Joy, and I already have one Kinder Joy at home, and by roaming into kitchen I got that idea. Yes, I can do that because it also, the shape is almost similar of the egg. Now that I have the Kinder Joy as the base of the egg ready, I started thinking how innovative I can make the Easter egg. So now that I being a 90s kid, I got this song in mind, that is,
my name is Handmade.
You might be knowing that song. So I got an excellent idea of having the half egg from which that Anthony Gonsalves comes outside. So I got that idea with a bunny. So this was a short story about how I got this idea. So now let's decorate the egg. Let's cut the flap which you can see from the corner. Then let's cut one part of the egg into half. Now let's stick this half egg like this using Fevibond. I have used Fevibond, you can use any. Now let's paint it with white acrylic color just to cover up the orange part on the Kinder Joy and the blue part and the text part. No need to color it like completely with white. You might see some patches, so that is okay. Now let's decorate this egg using some quilling basic shapes. I have used some tight curls, some teardrops and some markers. you can see some gaps in between. So let's fill up these gaps using scrolls. Now let's make a small bunny inside the Easter egg. So to make this bunny, I'm going to use two domes for the face. One conical dome for the body, two teardrops for the legs, and two teardrops for the hand, and for the ears, two curved macluses. Now let's assemble this in this way to make a bunny. Have you tried making Easter egg? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. Share your stories, share your pictures with us on Facebook page by tagging Pannu's Quilling Point. We will be happy to see your ideas and your creativity. So now it's time to thank you friends for watching my video and giving your valuable time. And yes, the giveaway is still on. It will be ending on 29th April. So how to enter the giveaway and all the details about the giveaway, I'm mentioning the link here. And also, if you are worried about how can I sell my handmade products online, then I'm going to help you, and that link I'm linking over here. And some useful videos for you are mentioned over here or also in the description. So what do you feel about this video? Do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you are watching our channel for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much. Bye bye.